Do you constantly feel mentally exhausted? Do you struggle to focus, forget simple things, or feel like your brain is running on low battery? You're not alone. Millions of people experience brain fog, poor concentration, and mental fatigue every day. Many assume it's simply part of getting older or having a busy life. But in many cases, there are specific reasons your brain feels tired. The good news: many of these causes can be improved through simple lifestyle changes. In today's video, we'll explore 7 common reasons your brain feels tired all the time and what you can do to support better mental energy and focus. Let's get started. 1. You're not getting enough sleep. Sleep is one of the most important things for brain health. While you sleep, your brain performs important maintenance processes. It helps organize memories, remove waste products, and prepare for the next day. When you consistently get poor sleep, concentration and memory can suffer. You may feel sluggish, forgetful, and mentally drained. Most adults should aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. 2. Too much screen time. Many people spend hours every day looking at phones, tablets, computers, and televisions. Excessive screen time can contribute to mental fatigue. Constant notifications, endless scrolling, and digital distractions can overload your attention. Your brain never gets a chance to fully rest. Consider taking regular breaks throughout the day and limiting screen use before bedtime. 3. Dehydration. Your brain is made up of about 70% water. Even mild dehydration can affect concentration, alertness, and mood. Many people mistake dehydration for fatigue. If you often feel mentally sluggish, ask yourself a simple question: have I had enough water today? Drinking water consistently throughout the day can help support healthy brain function. 4. Too much sugar and processed food. The foods you eat play a major role in how your brain performs. A diet high in sugary snacks, soda, and heavily processed foods can lead to energy crashes. You may feel good temporarily, but those quick bursts of energy are often followed by fatigue. Instead, focus on whole foods such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, healthy fats, and lean proteins. Your brain needs quality fuel. 5. Chronic stress. Stress affects far more than your mood. When stress becomes constant, it can leave you feeling mentally exhausted. Your brain is forced to stay in a heightened state of alertness. Over time, this can make concentration more difficult. Simple habits like deep breathing, walking, spending time outdoors, and taking breaks can help reduce stress levels. 6. Lack of physical activity. Exercise isn't only good for your body. It's also good for your brain. Physical activity helps increase blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients throughout the body. Many people notice improved mood, focus, and mental clarity after regular exercise. You don't have to run a marathon, even a daily walk can make a difference. 7. Nutrient deficiencies. Taking the number 1 spot is nutrient deficiencies. Your brain depends on vitamins, minerals, healthy fats, and other nutrients to function properly. When your diet lacks important nutrients, mental fatigue may become more noticeable. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals can help support healthy brain function. Examples include salmon, eggs, leafy greens, blueberries, walnuts, and avocados. How to fix brain fog naturally. If your brain constantly feels tired, start with these simple steps. Get enough sleep. Drink more water. Reduce sugary and processed foods, exercise regularly, manage stress levels, eat nutrient-rich foods. These small daily habits can have a significant impact over time. Remember, improving brain health isn't about perfection, it's about consistency. If you're looking for more natural ways to improve your health and daily habits, check out my ebook, Nature's Healing Secrets. Inside, you'll discover practical nutrition tips, natural wellness strategies, and simple lifestyle changes designed to help support a healthier life. You'll find the link in the description below. Your brain shouldn't feel exhausted all the time. Poor sleep, dehydration, stress, excessive screen time, poor nutrition, lack of exercise, and nutrient deficiencies can all contribute to mental fatigue. The good news is that many of these factors are within your control. Small improvements made consistently can lead to noticeable results. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. What do you think is causing your brain fatigue? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more health and wellness content from Thrive with Dave. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Brain flexed bicep sparkles.